Shit is crazy. Like a nigga really shot her. Like a nigga really shot her in the foot.
We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Okay, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Pesos. Hello, how are you? If you do know me, if you're returning, thank you for coming back. My new viewers, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you know, for your girl, support your girl, okay? So, I'm kind of like on a tight time frame right now, so I just wanted to kind of jump in here and give you guys an update on what's going on, because baby, like, life has been lifing, okay? Life has been lifing. Before I even get into that, Happy New Year's, everybody. I hope that everybody had a good Christmas, spent time with the family. You know, I mean, if you're not a family person, then just enjoy yourself, be safe for the holidays, you know, things like that. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with moving. I am moving. I have packed, like, I want to say maybe 45% of my house is already packed up. And it's been some technical difficulties because where I'm moving to, they moved my move date back a month. So now I'm just sitting in here with half my house packed up. So yeah, I mean, that's what I've been dealing with. I'm rolling into some courses, some classes, you guys. So your girl going back to school, okay, 2023. I'm gonna get my education on, okay. What else I gotta tell y'all? I'm just ready to move, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm just so ready to move. It's exhausting. It's exhausting. But no, yeah. I gotta get into the shower, y'all, and get this day started. I gotta wash my hair today, but I need to stop at the store and get some deep conditioner. I'm completely out of deep conditioner, so I gotta do that today. I gotta stop at my mom's house today. I gotta make a few calls, pay a couple of bills. I just got a lot of little miscellaneous things that I need to take care of today. So I'm gonna make that happen. I'm gonna try to vlog today for you guys, but honestly, y'all, I'm just all over the place, and your girl is ready to settle down and settle in to, you know, just move on, like move forward and grow, be the best version, begin to be the best version of myself. So it's very frustrating, you know. It's very frustrating, and not only that, I need to start packing because I'm going to Houston. I'll be in Houston for like a week, so I need to pack for that. And it's just so much, y'all. Like, it's a lot, baby. But what can I touch on with y'all? I think I'm gonna talk about Megan, y'all. That's trifling. That is trifling. So I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I felt like the girl Kelsey had shot Megan because, you know, they was going back and forth and making diss tracks and stuff, and Kelsey was like, who shot you? She said, who shot you? After she said that, I just put two and two together and was like, okay, so she's saying that she shot me. You know, so I thought it was Kelsey. But apparently it was the green leprechaun, the little green leprechaun. That's what it means. That breaks my heart. But no, the other day I had, I'm finna put this mask on, y'all. It's a detoxifying mask, a cleansing clay detox mask from Bath and Body Works. I gotta get some more of this stuff because this stuff right here is the GOAT. Pomegranate extract plus vitamin E. Y'all, vitamin E is really, really good for your skin. If you didn't know, every time I use this mask, baby, my skin look like I was just born, like fresh out of the womb. So, that nigga shot Megan. And then I seen a video, y'all, of Megan in the motherfucking ambulance. She was crying. Oh my God, I felt so bad. Like, and then it was just like so many things they were saying in court. Oh, they both sleeping with Tory. They got into a fight. And then they said there was a witness who saw them get into the fight. Said, what they said? They said they seen two females fighting. Say all of this started because Megan got mad that Tory was flirting with old girl Kardashian, which is stupid because I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Maybe I just got a different like mentality and mindset. But said Megan had said they had left. Everybody had talked Megan to get out of there or whatever. Said that Megan was like, nah, I forgot my purse or some bullshit. She said she forgot to go back up in there and some shit and cause all this ruckus. But see, this is a legend, y'all, because it's always his side. It's two people. It's always two sides in the story, and then the truth in between. So you never really know. Even with the court, like the court never really know. They gotta get evidence to tie all that shit together. It's just crazy, y'all. Like that shit is crazy. Like a nigga really shot her. Like a nigga really shot her in the foot. That's crazy. That's why you gotta be careful of the type of energies that you have around you. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I talked about this on this channel yet, but y'all, please be mindful of the type of people that you keep in your circle, the type of people that you keep around you. Be mindful because everybody don't want to see you win. 2, people be secretly in competition with you. 3, people be weird as fuck. You just never know. You just never fucking know. People will act like they your friends. The Shaquilla Robinson shit. I've been watching that since day one. Do you know they did Quella so wrong, Lord. Rest in paradise, Quella. But they did Quella so dirty. They put clothes back on her after she had died and tried to like fake it like she just feel like. Who the fuck does that? Like, y'all are so fucking weird. Y'all hated on this girl because she was a business owner. She had her own money. She was an entrepreneur, and they was jealous of her. They wasn't really her friends, but turned out she had knew these people for so long. She knew them people wasn't her friends, but for whatever reason, she kept them around. She kept them in her circle. I don't know. They say it get lonely at the top. Maybe it's some truth to that, but she knew them folks wasn't her friend. Like, there's no way you could be around someone for 15 plus years or however long they had known each other and not know some funny shit is something funny is going on here. Like, these not really my friends. Sometimes you gotta be that person like, oh, why she acting brand new? Oh, why she acting different? Why she acting da-da-da-da-da? Because you need to learn how to separate yourself and really just sit back instead of being all in the mix, being over here, being over there, being all intertwined with everybody energy and shit like that. Sometimes you just need to sit back and peep shit out. So don't be afraid to isolate yourself. Those be the best breakthroughs when you alone, when you by yourself. And then it's like, you will find your tribe. You'll find people who equal-minded, who want the same thing as you. You do not have that would break a lot of people's success. They be trying to bring people from the mud, the grind, the hustle, where they began. People that they know where they began, they try to bring them up with them. And everybody can't go where you go. Everybody not meant to go where you go. Everybody not meant to have the success that's your success. That shit is crazy. That's why you can never really fully trust somebody. That's why you could never really fully say, yeah, that's my friend. Like, yeah, you know. I mean, unless this your OG, triple OG, and you know what I'm saying, from the diapers. From the motherfucking diapers. And you can't have too many of them. Them things custom made, baby. They ain't just popping them out on the daily. That's like really like a gym. Like a real solid friend that's gonna keep that shit 100, that's gonna push you, that's gonna empower you, that's not gonna hate on you, that's gonna get that money with you instead of hating on you when you get your bag. That's very rare. And everybody not your day ones. You can't put that label on everybody. And it's sad. Like, that could have been anybody. That could have been anybody. You know? And then it's like, did they plan to actually like kill her, or did they plot to like jump on her? And like, what was the plan? That's what I want to know. Like, what was y'all true intentions? Because that girl was not defending herself. That's basically like manslaughter. Don't quote me, but that's basically like manslaughter. She wasn't defending herself. And it was just like, y'all just sat back and watched this girl lose her life. And 9 times out of 10, a lot of the times it be dumb shit, like nothing worth losing your life behind. That's crazy, yo. Like, that's crazy. And then a lot of people, y'all have to learn. I will say, y'all, a lot of people have to learn how to communicate. Use your words. You cannot get upset and like physically abuse someone. That's disgusting. So that shit sad, yo. It's terrible. It's terrible. They put clothes on that girl. They woke her up out of her sleep. She was naked. Jumped on her. Y'all supposed to be my friends. Y'all just sitting here watching me get beaten and battered and eventually like lose my life. Nobody was real enough to say, man, this shit not right. Like, that's not okay. They was never her friends. They was never her friends. And that shit is so sad because, like I said, that could have been anybody. That could have been anybody. It's sad. But that's the story that I'm watching. And I was watching the whole Megan Thee Stallion thing, but they already sentenced him. I think they already sentenced him. I think it's like 20 years or he's doing up to, I don't know. But it was him. We found out it was Kelsey. It was Tory. All right. So now we got to figure out this whole Cabo situation. That's terrible, bro. Just imagine like going on like a tropical getaway vacation with some people you think is your friends and then losing your life. Like, what? Huh? What happened? Oh, that shit great. That shit great. But I'm gonna jump in the shower, wash this off on my face, and I gotta make some phone calls and stuff like that. So I'm gonna call y'all back.